Om Paramatmane Namaha. My dear yoga followers and sadhaks, today's our topic is about consciousness. Consciousness is the power of soul. Yesterday we learnt about the four components of in the human personality: body, intellect, mind and soul. The soul's characteristic is consciousness. The modern science invented matter and energy. Our ancient rishis invented the same matter and energy. Along with them, they invented the consciousness also. According to the modern science, matter and science both are different forms. According to the great scientist Einstein, he proposed one equation that is called E is equal to mc square. According to this formula, energy converts into matter, matter converts into energy. The same thing invented by our rishis also. But along with these two, they invented about consciousness also. Here I am going to clear that what is the difference between energy and this consciousness. Energy is a power, consciousness also is a power. But consciousness is a power which has knowledge. Energy is a power which does not has any knowledge. We are seeing energy, different forms of energy in this world. They are converting into one form to another form. And due to energy, several works are being done, we know. But energy does not has any knowledge. Energy works according to its universal principles only. Energy has its own principles. According to its principles, it works. But it does not has any knowledge. But consciousness is a power, that is energy, that has knowledge. In human behavior we see, he is thinking, he is experiencing, he is feeling, he is deciding. All this is because of his power of knowledge. So this is the difference between energy and consciousness. Consciousness is the characteristic of the soul. Soul has mainly three characteristics. They are called guna, karma, svabhava. In the consciousness, we see these three: guna, karma, svabhava. Gunas are qualities. In human beings, we see several qualities. In the great personalities, clearly we see so many qualities. For example, knowledge is a quality of human beings. Peace is there, that is a quality. And mercy is there, that is a quality. Like this, several energy also one quality. All these are different qualities. These are called gunas. And karma, actions. Human beings are looking, seeing, sitting, standing, running. All these activities they are doing. These activities are called karma. And svabhava, nature. Nature of the soul is pure. For soul, only one nature is there, that is pure. It is the pure. Purity is the nature of the soul. Impurity is not there, but impurities enter there. That we learn in our tomorrow's episode. So, guna, karma, svabhava are the three characteristics of the soul. They are: gunas are qualities, karmas are activities, actions, svabhava is the pure nature. So, today our topic about consciousness. Consciousness is power of each soul. So, this is the difference between modern science of scientists and our Rishi's wisdom, which is Rishi's science. Modern science has invented matter and energy the relation between matter and energy, that is equal E is equal to mc square, and remaining all knowledge which is invented by modern science come into these two topics only. And the Rishi's wisdom is they invented whatever invented by the modern scientists. They invented the matter, they invented energy. Along with these two, they invented the third one, that is consciousness. Consciousness is the power of the soul. The difference between the energy and consciousness is the power which has knowledge, and energy is the power which does not have the knowledge. So this is the thing. Further, in our yoga awareness classes, we will go deeply how the consciousness work, and how is the matter, and matter when enters into the consciousness, or the consciousness power of the each soul, it comes into contact of matter, then what happens, that we'll learn in our tomorrow's episode. With this, today I am ending this episode. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.